Hello, students. Jai Hind. Very good morning. Welcome back. As you all know, and every now and then in my lecture, I discuss out that we are sending every week two lectures of chapter number 6, and every Friday you receive one particular lecture for construction. Now, in today's session, dear student, as you all know, we have already you have understood four types of construction of quadrilateral already, where type 1 construction you must be knowing when for type 1 construction, just to take a reminder of this, when four sides and one diagonal was given. Then we have done type 2 when three sides and two diagonals were given. Then we did type 3 when four sides and one angle was given. Then we did type 4 when three sides and two angles were given. Now, today's session, dear student, in our lecture number 7 today, we are taking the last type in construction of quadrilateral. That means when we do in today's session the last type of construction, that means we are in today's session completing the construction of general quadrilateral. Then in phase 2 of this particular chapter, we are going to discuss construction of specific quadrilateral, either parallelogram, trapezium, square, rectangle, rhombus, etc. That we are going to discuss in the next phase. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss the last type of construction, type number 5. Okay. And dear student, remember one thing, you already have your ruler with you. This is my ruler where I have shown all centimeter. Okay. So, whenever the radius is to be taken, I want to give you idea that many students may be little confused how to take the radius. That's why from ruler. Okay. Now see, today the last one in this type which we are taking. Okay. Uh, First, dear student, as you all know, title of the chapter, that is construction. Okay. And in that we are today going to discuss the last type of construction. Okay, in our lecture number 7 today. Okay, which type of construction we are targeting today? That we first need to understand that which type of construction we are targeting today. So, dear student, the construction which we are targeting today is type 5, and type 5 means construction of a quadrilateral when three angle and two included sides are given. So, type 5, let me mention here the type of construction we are targeting is that construction of quadrilateral if three angles, construction of quadrilateral when three angles and two included sides are given, three angles are given and two included sides are given, This type of construction we are going to target today. So be very conscious when we are doing construction. Every now and then I am giving you the guideline that in construction the most important thing is the rough sketch. That rough sketch will give you complete idea how to draw the construction. The rough sketch you always need to mind. Okay, see, this is the question. Okay, for today's construction. Construct, please note down in your book. Construct quadrilateral ABCD. Please note down the question. Construct quadrilateral ABCD in which? Construct quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to, in which AB equals to 4 centimeter given, BC equal to 6 centimeter given, two included sides are given, and then three angle are given also. Angle A equal to 60 degrees given, angle B equals to 120 degree given, okay, and angle D, angle C is given 105 degree. Angle C is given 105 degree. So by just reading the data, you will come to know that we are going to construct. First, dear student, understand the data. We are going to construct a quadrilateral in which particularly two sides are given and three angles are given. Okay, dear student, first just read the data, just try to understand the data, and I am just want to first guide you how will you draw the rough sketch, because every now and then I am just giving you the guidance in that even though when you draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral, in that also here when three angles are given, you should draw the rough sketch in such a way that at least you will get two base angle. Understand? Base angle means you understood now. One side is given, this two angle you can get. Now see, dear student, try to observe it first. See, how will we draw the rough sketch? How can we see? AB is given, but are you given angle A as well as angle B? Yes. BC is given. Are you given angle B and angle C? Yes, you are getting the facility. AB given, angle A, angle B given. BC given, angle B, angle C both given. So it becomes little easier for you. Understand? To draw the rough sketch. I am just showing you the rough sketch here. I may target any of the side. Let me target AB. Please try to understand the rough sketch. AB, okay, 4 centimeter. Now you all know very well angle B 60 degree, angle A 60 degree, somewhat like this. Then also you can see angle B that has been given, understand, 120 degree, right? This is angle A which is given 60 degree. You understood? Then angle A is given 60 degree. Then angle B is given 120 degree. Okay. Suppose angle B that is 120 degree. Then you are also given, suppose here is angle C. The angle C is given 105 degree. Okay. Suppose this is 105 and obviously this will be point D. AB you all know 4 centimeter. BC you all know 6 centimeter. Understand? So this is somehow the rough sketch is already given. Okay. Now dear student, when the rough sketch is given, some student may like to take BC as the base. That is your choice. There is no specification like that you should take this and you should take this. AB or BC, because when you know both the base angle, you can take it. Understood? Okay, dear student. Now let us start constructing the quadrilateral targeting first AB. What is AB? As you all know of 4 centimeters. So see here dear student, I have my ruler where this is 4 centimeter. Okay. So let me make a line of 4 centimeter. Okay, please concentrate here. A line of 4 centimeter, to be more exact. I may take some marking here. Okay, 4 centimeter. Let me draw it. We are completing construction here of 4 centimeter. Okay. Let me call it AB. AB of 4 centimeter we have already drawn. Okay. Now dear student, rough sketch are always arbitrary just for understanding and nothing else. Here I have to generate an angle of 60 degree. Here I have to generate an angle of 120 degree, as you all know. So now dear student, as you all know, now when you want to generate an angle of, see, remember one thing very clearly, if we want to generate an angle of 60 degree here and 120 degree here, you have to target it in this way. You understood this, how to construct the angle of 60 degree. Now concentrate dear student. Whenever the angle has to be constructed, what you are doing? You are taking some appropriate radius and making an arc. Okay. Please concentrate here. We have first drawn AB of 4 centimeter already. Now our target is to make an angle of 60 degree at A. So what you will do? Keep your compass centered at A by taking some appropriate radius. Draw an arc. Please remember this. Centering your compass at A and taking some appropriate radius, you have to draw an arc. And here the radius needs to be appropriate, that you all know very well. Maintaining the same radius which you have already taken, center your compass at this point and intersect this arc. You understood this? Okay. And now you just draw a ray passing through this. This ray needs to be extended as AX. Please understand this. Okay, first you make in your book the same way I have done it here. First you construct AB of 4 centimeter, which is already okay, and then you have to target to draw. I am just trying to draw the straight line. Okay, right? Is it clear in your mind? Angle of 60 degree has been constructed. First we have taken AB of 4 centimeter. Then I have centered my compass at A, taking some appropriate, an arc is drawn, and then it will intersect and the ray. Okay, now dear student, we have to target angle B, which is already 120 degree. How to construct angle of 120 degree? You all know very well. First, center your compass at B. Yes, taking some appropriate radius, draw a big arc this way. Centering your compass at point B, and then taking some appropriate radius, you have to draw an arc. Now, keeping or maintaining the same radius, center your compass here, cut it once, then shift your center here, cut it twice, and then just draw a ray passing through this. This another ray is drawn passing through this to ensure that angle B turns out to be 120 degree. Is it clear in your mind? Here 60 degree, here 120 degree. First you just try to construct this way both the ray. First ray, that is ray AX, to ensure that angle A becomes 60 degree. Then another ray which is constructed by us, ray BY, to ensure that angle B becomes 120 degree. First you try to accomplish this part of the construction. Understand? AB 4 centimeter, angle of 60 degree, angle of 120 degree. How to construct angle of 120 degree? You all know, taking appropriate radius and arc, centering compass here, cut the arc and shifting the center, cut it again, and then you just draw a ray passing through that intersection of the arc. Okay, so this way, dear student, we are able to draw AB, angle A 60 degree, angle B 120 degree. Now your target, what is BC? 6 centimeter. Now how to, some student are little confused how to take 6 centimeter means this way, dear student. On ruler, you just center a compass this way and take the radius of 6 centimeter. Okay. Suppose this is radius of 6 centimeter, and I will center my compass here and intersect this. Somewhat the arc will be arbitrarily at this point. Okay. So centering compass at B, taking appropriate radius, and you have to draw an arc to intersect ray BY at particular point C. So first, dear student, try to get point C, and now our target is the only this angle. That's the angle of 105 degree, which also in my WRT I have asked to construct it. Angle C, 105 degree. How to construct 105 degree, dear student? You must be remembering very well that to construct the angle of 105, you have to target to bisect between 90, understand, and 90 and 120. You must be knowing this very well. Understood? So let us please start drawing with me. Centering and student, don't make mistake. You want to construct angle here, so don't start taking arc from here. Centering compass at C, taking some appropriate radius, draw an arc. Okay, first you draw it, taking some appropriate radius, draw an arc. Now centering your compass at this, without changing the radius, cut it twice, once and twice. Okay, once you will cut here, another time you will cut here. Now never change the radius while you make the construction of angle. Please mind it. Now here and here, one arc from this point, one arc from this point. This is in fact an angle of 90 degree. This is 90, this is 120. For constructing the angle of 105, you have to bisect between 90 and 120, maintaining the same radius, one arc from here, another arc from. Please understand, dear student, one from 90 and one from 120, and then you just draw a ray passing through that. You may call it ray CZ, where it intersect this ray AX, that will be the intersection point D. So dear student, this way we have completed the construction. The first thing which you should do is that first please accomplish the construction, okay, in your book, and then we will discuss about the steps involved in this. How we have done, you should know how to construct the angle of 105 degree. I am just giving a reminder of this. Centering at C, taking some appropriate radius and drawing an arc, intersecting arc once, shifting center, intersecting twice. Then from this one arc, this is dotted line, shows the angle of 90 degree. Your target angle is 105. So you will bisect between 90 and 120. Please understand, dear student, 90 and 120, one arc from 90, one arc from 105, and a ray. Okay, so this is the way we have constructed. Now the construction is over, and then next maybe the steps of the construction. So while we are writing the steps of construction, I am just erasing the rough sketch, okay? And let us write all steps of construction, okay? Steps of construction, okay? The first step, what we have done, dear student, can you remember? First step, we have constructed AB of 4 centimeter. So your first step will be like this. Draw. Please understand and write down with me. Draw line segment AB of 4 centimeter. first step. Draw line segment AB of 4 centimeter. Okay. Now next step, dear student, what we have done, can you gather in your mind before I write the steps here what we have done? We have constructed an angle of 60 degree at vertex A, but for realizing angle of 60 degree, we have drawn ray AX. Please understand this. So you will write the step in this way. Draw. This is the way you will write. Draw ray AX such that, please understand this step, such that angle A equals to 60 degree. Understand the step how we are writing. We have constructed ray AX to realize the angle of 60 degree here. Okay. Now please concentrate what we have done. Can you remember first AB we have done? Then we have constructed ray AX to realize the angle A as 60 degree. Now your target, dear student, is this, that you want to construct this another base angle, angle B, as 120 degree. But for realizing angle B to be 120 degree, you have constructed which ray? Please concentrate here. Ray BY. Can you realize this? Can you see this? Ray BY. So you will write this way. Draw. Please concentrate on the step. Draw ray BY. Sorry. Draw ray BY such that angle B equals to 120 degree. Easy to understand and easy to remember when you keep the basics in your mind. Understand? Basic has to remain in your mind when you draw such construction. Understand? Now, fourth step, dear student. See, ray BY is constructed. You have already written a step that draw ray BY such that angle B becomes 120 degree. Okay. Now see, dear student, what you have done. Construction are the sequential of what you have done during the construction. Now your target is for BC. How you have taken BC? So you have taken radius of 6 centimeter already. You know, after taking radius of 6 centimeter, you centered your compass at B and you have drawn an arc of circle which intersect ray BY at point C. The way you will write the step is this. Draw. And please concentrate, dear student. Draw an arc of a circle taking, please concentrate on the step. That's very important. Draw an arc of a circle taking B as the center. Okay, B as center and radius. And radius 6 centimeter, which intersect. Please understand this step very well. Draw an arc of circle taking B as center and radius 6 centimeter, which intersect, it is intersecting what? Ray BY, yes, which intersect ray BY at point C. Okay, dear student, please understand this step very well. What I have written in step, please mind and try to tally with the construction. You have centered at B and you have taken radius of 6 centimeter because BC is 6. Centering compass, here you have drawn an arc which intersect ray BY at particular point C. Now we got C. Okay. First, assess out this many steps. Just now I told you, steps are the sequential, and I have seen student always making mistake and not bothering about the correctness of the step they are writing. Actually, the steps of construction is an integral part of the construction, and you should develop the natural skill how to write it. Okay, it is just the sequence of what you are doing here. A 4 centimeter, then you have drawn a ray X to realize angle A 60 degree, ray BY to realize angle B becomes 120 degree. Then you have centered your compass B, you have taken radius of 6 centimeter and you have drawn an arc which intersect ray BY at point C. Now it is a question of understanding this last particular step, very important, what you have done. See, dear student, try to understand. You have drawn one ray here, ray CZ, to make angle CS 105. Not only that, but this ray CZ intersect ray X. Can you see this? Ray CZ to construct an angle of 105 here, which is intersecting ray AX at this particular point D. So when you are writing the step, dear student, make sure that you understand the step. Understand? So I am writing the step. You just tally with me the step number 5 which we write here. Okay? Step number 5. Please concentrate. What I am writing here is construct. I am writing the step here. Please understand it. Construct. What I have constructed? Ray CZ. Try to understand this. Construct ray CZ such that angle C equal to 105 degree. Construct ray CZ, this one, such that angle C becomes 105 degree. Then you will write which intersect. Which intersect. Can you guess what? Which intersect ray AX at point D. You will write this way, which intersect ray AX at point D. Okay, dear student. So this is the way the construction has been done, and at last, as you know, the conclusive step. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is required quadrilateral. Okay, required quadrilateral. Is it clear in your mind? Okay, dear student. First, you verify all the steps of construction which we have done here. Okay, and then I also want to share with you that some student might have taken some variation in the base angle while drawing the rough sketch. That will also be okay, but then there will be some minor variation in the steps of construction. Okay, that we will discuss, but first you verify the particular construction we have done, and please try to analyze and assess out all the steps which we have written here. You need to understand how to develop the steps. That's very, very important. You should develop the skill of writing the step. Okay. I'm just giving the 2 minutes time, dear student. Please verify your construction and each and every step we have written here. Just verify it. In 2 minutes time, just have a look at the construction which we have drawn. At the same time, you tally each and every step which we have done, how we have realized at angle at point A, vertex A angle of 60 degree, then at B angle of 120 degree, then at angle C 105 degree, understand? And then we did the complete construction. I have also seen student making some mistake that I want to share with you just now. Which mistake the student are generally making while they are drawing the construction, that I am just sharing with you just now. Okay. Now see, dear student, which mistake I have seen student making while drawing the construction. I just want to share first. Before I discuss, please make your main construction little harder. Okay, as you all know, main construction, though other are needs to be the slim liner, but main construction needs to be the hard dark line, so that it examiner can visualize your construction very easily. Okay, now see, dear student, what mistake I have seen student making. See, I have, please be watchful about this. I have drawn AB. Now when I want to construct angle of 60 degree here, this is my baseline. Understand, I do not have to go from here and construct 60 degree. Similarly, when I want to construct the angle of 120 degree, I am not going to draw from here. This is my baseline. So I have to start drawing arc from here only. This is a very important point which you should mark and you should understand also. Similarly, dear student, when I want to construct angle at C, that is angle of 105, I do not have to start from here. I have seen student making such mistake by extending and drawing from here. No, BC will be your baseline. So first arc will be starting from here. This is very important point. I have seen student making lots of mistakes when they are trying to construct this way. Now one more thing, dear student. Some of the student may have drawn rough sketch in some different way. Take an example. Some student might have, this is I am just showing you, okay? Do not get confused by this. Some of the student might have done this way also. They must have constructed BC first as per the textbook. Okay. After constructing BC, they have moved this way also. This is also okay. Then they have constructed angle of 120 degree at B. Then 120, then angle of 105 degree at C. Okay. Here they must have got A. and this is D. The some of the student might have drawn construction this way also. This is 4 centimeter. This is here the angle of 60 degree. Here at B the angle of 120 degree. Here at C angle of 105 degree. Then dear student, there is some little variation in your step. That first you construct BC of 6 centimeter. Then here you may say one ray AX to realize angle B as 120 degree. Then here a ray CY to realize angle 105 degree. Then centering at B, taking appropriate radius, draw an arc of circle to intersect ray BX and getting point A. And now dear student, here construct ray AZ so that angle A becomes 60 degree. This ray intersects CY at point D. So this way if you have drawn construction, there may be some minute variation in the steps. So dear student, remember one thing. In today's session, we have already completed the first phase of the construction, that is construction of quadrilateral. All 5 types we have discussed. In our next session, understand, we are going to construct a quadrilateral of specific type, either rhombus, parallelogram, that way. But please concentrate on this particular chapter of construction, because that's very very important. Why? Because once you master how to construct angle, how to draw construction, and if you develop the skill of writing the step, that is going to help you in upper standard, understand, in ninth and 10th. Alright, so please concentrate on this chapter very well. Understand, never keep any doubt in mind. Interact with me on telephonic conversation. Okay, so this is the way we have completed type 5 construction. Okay, dear student, thank you very much.